I'm a T4 complete paraplegic. I was injured about 2.5 years ago, November 2005. At the time, I was a junior in high school, about 16 and a half years old. I'm 19 now. Basically, what happened was one night, my buddy flipped his car going way too fast, and what happened was the roof came in, landed right where I was sitting. Just kind of came in and snap my back in half. I'm paralyzed. I can't move or feel anything from right below my pecs, about T4 level. So I was rushed to the ER, got metal put in my back. I'm fused from T2 to T7 with titanium rods, completely rigid through those. Was in rehab for about 8 weeks, basically just learning how to relive my life. How to go to the bathroom again, how to brush my teeth, how to transfer, do everything, from scratch. And then